In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in a Constant Contact email. If you want your paragraphs to line up neatly along both the left and right edges, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting and what to look for, so your email stays clean and readable. Start by opening Constant Contact and heading into the email campaign you want to work on. Enter the editor so you can make changes directly in the layout. Once you're in the design view, locate the section that contains the text you want to format. Click the specific text block to activate it. You'll know it's selected when you see a cursor inside the block and the editing toolbar appears above or near it. Next, highlight the exact paragraph or lines you want to justify. You can click and drag across the text or use a quick select if you want the entire block. Highlighting is important because alignment commands apply to the selection. If nothing is selected, the editor may only align the current line where your cursor is, which can give you inconsistent results. Now, look for the alignment controls in the text toolbar. These are usually shown as icons with horizontal lines: left align, center, right, and justify. Depending on your screen size or the version of the editor you're using, the justify option might be tucked under a more or an ellipsis menu. Take a second to hover over the icons if you're unsure which one is which. Most will show a label like align left or justify on hover. Choose justify if the option is available. The moment you click it, your selected text should stretch to align with both margins, creating that tidy newspaper-style edge. Not every template or block type supports full justification, so if you don't see the icon, it may not be available for that particular design. Also keep in mind that justification relies on spacing between words, so it can look slightly different depending on the font and column width. Finally, preview the email to make sure the spacing looks clean. Use the built-in preview to scan your paragraphs from top to bottom, paying special attention to any lines that seem too spread out or create streaks of white space. It's a good idea to check both a wider desktop view and a narrower mobile view, since justified text can behave differently with changing line lengths. If everything looks balanced and easy to read, you're all set. That's the entire process for justifying text in Constant Contact while keeping your email polished and professional.